Do you ever feel like your chord sequences lack a bit of emotional detail? Now that's fine, going from chord 1 to chord 5, in this case going from C to G, but maybe it feels a little bit too direct, a little bit unnuanced. By introducing just one chord, in this case the D7, it's kind of acting as a passing chord. You're introducing something new, a new flavour, a new colour, and you're introducing a subtle change to the emotional landscape. Hi, I'm Fini. I'm a singer-songwriter, I'm a jazz musician, and I'm a Professor of Songwriting at the Guildhall School in London. On this channel, I explore melody and harmony and lyric writing through deep dive analysis and short, focused explorations. So if you're a songwriter looking for more nuance in your music, or you want to dive deeper into the practice, or maybe you're a jazz musician and you find yourself drawn to songwriting but you have no idea where to start, I hope that this can be the place for you.